Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Earrings by Angela channel, where we learn, live, and create. Today's affirmation will be in a looped form, which means that I will say the same affirmation over and over, and I invite you to do the same. This way, you will believe everything that you're saying, right? So stick with me until the end, and I have a special message just for you. Let's begin. My fears of tomorrow are melting away. 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 Okay, loves, that is the end of our affirmation session today. And I hope that you believe everything that you just said, because today's special message for you is that there is nothing to fear. Whatever you are afraid of may not even happen. You've heard that fear is false evidence appearing real, right? Yeah, it's just not even true. It's our anxiety, our worries about what if, what if, what if this happens, what if this happens. I'm afraid to do this, I'm afraid to do that. I don't want to get married because I'm afraid of commitment. They'll cheat on me. Da, 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 da. And it may not even be true. Take today to just live in the moment. Enjoy everything about this day only. Whatever happened yesterday no longer exists. It's already done. Tomorrow, we don't know what tomorrow brings. But don't open your present early or try to peek and find out what it is. Just enjoy everything about today. Today is the only day that matters. And this moment is the only thing that you can control. Live slowly today. Slow your time down and really enjoy today. That soda or pop, wherever you're from, that you're about to open, enjoy every sip, every little bubble, every little piece of burning acid that goes in your throat. It's soothing, especially on ice. But enjoy your lunch. Don't sit at your desk working today while eating your lunch. Enjoy this moment. Whatever moment you are in, enjoy it. That is my special message for you today. If these affirmations are helping you, then make sure that you subscribe so that you can join us every Monday for our affirmations. We love to get the week started on a positive note, right? Make sure that you hit the like button so that we can continue doing our affirmations. I want to see who's doing them with me. And if you feel the need to or would just like to say hello, do so in the comments so I can greet you with love. Until next time, peace and blessings to you all.